Hello guys, and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change case owner in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to access our cases. So there are three ways to do it. Either you can go to your navbar and click on cases, or you can go to the app launcher and search for cases and click on it. Otherwise, you can just add this navbar here. So if you don't find uh, the cases as follow, if it wasn't, you will need just to click on add more items. And from here, you will need just to search for cases and add it to your navbar. So now let's access to our cases and change the ownership for any case. So from here, I'm just going to choose any case that we have. So for example, this one on hold. And from here, we can see that we can edit our case. So simply, we cannot change the case owner from here. So we need to find a way where we can be able to change the case owner. So if it isn't in this view or in this page, we need just to go and search for its details. So the details for the case would find it here. By going to the details section, we need just to find the case owner, and from here we will find the change owner. We click on change owner, and then we select the owner that we want to change. And after that, you can choose to send a notification email to the new owner for this case. Now, I'm just going to click on change owner, and now we have changed the ownership and it has been added to the activities. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.